Hello, I am Anthony. We are continuing the Food Manufacturing Hazards series with Episode 2. Today we are looking at compressed air and pressurized systems. We will cover the worker safety risks, the food contamination risks, where the hazard shows up across your site, and what workers, supervisors, managers, and employers can do to control it. Compressed air is widely referred to as the fourth utility in manufacturing, alongside electricity, gas, and water. In food manufacturing, it is essential, but it is also one of the most under-controlled inputs on site. The risks it carries to both worker safety and food safety are real, documented, and manageable with the right controls in place. These systems power everything from blow-off nozzles and air knives to pneumatic actuators and packaging machinery. However, a poorly maintained system can injure a worker, contaminate a product, and cause production downtime, all at the same time. Worker safety risks include pressure releases, injection injuries, and significant noise exposure during operation. Food safety risks involve contamination from oil mist, water vapor, or microorganisms within the system. The hazard is often underestimated because compressed air is invisible. It's present at almost every stage of your operation. On processing lines, air knives remove product residue and moisture. In filling and dosing, pneumatic actuators power the precision machinery. The hazard starts in the compressor room with pressure vessels and receivers, extending through distribution pipework to every point of use. Let's look closer at worker safety. Compressed air can force air through the skin into soft tissue, causing internal injuries that aren't immediately visible. HSE identifies skin penetration and eye damage from ejected particles as primary risks during maintenance or line clearing. Hose whip from a disconnected line can strike workers with violent force, especially during equipment changeovers. Food safety is equally critical. Air that contacts food or contact surfaces must be treated as a contamination source, not just a utility. Rust, pipe scale, and moisture can lead to microbial growth. Furthermore, air-propelled dust can spread allergens across adjacent lines. ISO 85731 defines purity standards. For direct food contact, you must meet Class 1 or 2 for particles and oil, with a dew point of -40 degrees Celsius or better. Practical scenarios often combine these risks. For example, a poorly maintained system can lead to both worker injury and product contamination simultaneously. The controls hierarchy starts with elimination. Can you use mechanical brushing or a vacuum instead? If not, engineering controls like guarded nozzles are your first line of defense. A full inspection schedule must cover every component, from the compressor to the point of use, including regular air quality testing. In summary, remove unnecessary air use, control the quality and condition of the air you do use, and verify system performance through documented testing. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.